Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring easy and practical tips for beautiful home decors. Today discuss we will focus on styling a small living room. If you have a cozy living space and want to make the most of it, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First of all, optimize furniture placement. When styling a small living room, it's important to optimize furniture placement to create a sense of openness. Here, what you can do choose furniture that suits the scale of your room, avoid oversized pieces that will overwhelm the space. Opt the smaller sofas, armchairs, and coffee tables that provide comfort without taking up too much room. Choose furniture that suits the scale of your room. Then place furniture against the wall to maximize the floor space. This opens the center area and creates more suspicious feel. You can also consider floating furniture like wall mounted shelves or a small console table to save even more space. Next, embrace clever storage solution. In small living room, it's crucial to find clever storage solution to keep your space steady and organized. Here are some tips or ideas. Invest in furniture with hidden storage compartments. Look for ottomans with built-in storage or coffee tables with drawers. These pieces serve a dual purpose by providing extra seating or a place to rest you feel while concealing clutters. Utilize vertical space by adding wall-mounted shelves or bookcases. These not only provide storage for books and decorate items but also draw the eyes upward, making the room appear larger. Don't forget about utilizing space such as the area under your sofa or the empty wall above your TV. Use decorative baskets or wall mounted hooks to store blankets, magazines, or other items. Tip number 3, incorporate small lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in making a small living room feel cozy and inviting. However, you can incorporate small lighting. Opt for a combination of ambient task and accent lighting. Ambient lighting like overhead fixture or floor lamps provide overall illumination. Task lighting such as table lamps or adjustable reading lights offer focus lighting to specific activities. Acid lighting like wall sconces or staring lights add a warm and decorative touch. Consider using mirrors strategically to reflect natural lighting and make the room appear brighter and more suspicious. Place a mirror Place a mirror across from a window or near a light source to maximize the effect. And these you have it. These simple tips to make small living room beautiful. By optimizing furniture placement, embracing clever storage solution, and incorporate small lighting, you can create a comfortable and visual appealing space no matter how small. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful home decor ideas. Thank you very much.